I'm Adrian, the cruise and travel guy. Join me for a close-up look at the grandest suite on board the Grand Princess. There are only two S1 category Grand Suites on board Grand Princess, and they're unique in that they're the only suites of their kind to be located in this position on any Grand or Sub-Grand class ship. Both are located on Deck 14, forward of the outdoor pool. We'll take a closer look at the dual-access bathroom later in the video. Entering the room, the substantial wet bar is the first thing you'll notice, along with the complimentary range of mini spirits. While underneath, one cupboard provides additional storage space, the other hides a bar fridge, complete with complimentary soft drinks and beer, as well as an ice bucket that is topped up twice daily. You'll find an Australian outlet with two USB-A slots located above the dining table. At 730 square feet or around 68 square meters, there is plenty of room to move. There's a large living room space, a flat screen TV, and yes, that's an electric fireplace, something you certainly don't see frequently. The marble top vanity provides additional US power outlets, as well as extra storage. Some of the suite's perks include access to club or reserve class dining for main meals, complimentary laundry, in-suite afternoon tea, and complimentary specialty dining on the first night of the cruise. Walking onto the expansive veranda, this particular suite's claim to fame becomes apparent. A jacuzzi tub is a facility not often found on cruise ships, and this one is big. Premium balcony furniture and timber-paneled walls add a touch of warmth and luxury. The tub, with its jets and buttons galore, would be an incredibly relaxing place to soak up a sea day, or even some scenic coastal cruising. This suite also enjoys the rare cruise ship perk of a separate bedroom. Bedside tables on each side of the queen bed offer a single drawer and shelf. There is one US power outlet on this side of the bed. The bed in this suite cannot be split into twins. There's plenty of natural light thanks especially to the floor-to-ceiling windows. A large flat-screen television dominates the bedroom vanity, while the glass door provides direct and private access into the hot tub. Additional drawers are located throughout the bedroom. The walk-in wardrobe provides substantial storage space, with drawers, shelving, and multiple hanging zones. Robes are also provided for use on board. The bathroom can be accessed from both the bedroom as seen here, and the entrance foyer. Offers a second jacuzzi tub, and although the overall design is dated, it's hard to ignore the swathes of intricate and evocative tile work and high quality materials. There's a freestanding shower with a single shower head and clothesline, plus complimentary shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. A door separates the toilet or powder room from the main bathroom. The mirrored vanity provides a basin as well as liquid hand wash and lotion. Additional storage is found below. The powder room contains the toilets plus a separate vanity and basin with additional hand wash and lotion. The overall design of the room is certainly traditional when compared to the newest of Princess's ships, but it's very hard to go past that giant room size, that massive balcony, and of course that jacuzzi tub. Let me know in the comments below if you could see yourself staying in the Grand Suite on the Grand Princess. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with my videos. And if you are interested in booking a cruise, you can head to my website, thecruiseandtravelguy.com.au, and please give me a follow on Facebook and Instagram at The Cruise and Travel Guy, where you can stay up to date with all of my travels as they happen. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.